If your videos are getting low impression click-through rate on YouTube, if people are not clicking on your videos, you are missing out on views, you are missing out on watch time, you are missing out on subscribers, you are missing time on what are, and you are missing out on growth. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your click-through rates. Then you will get more click starting today. But before then, make sure you do not click out, because if you click out, you will not watch to the end. And if you're just coming across my video, please subscribe, share, and like this video, so that when I post a video like this that can grow your channel and impact in your monetization, you will be able to see it. I want to explain what click-through rate is all about. Please don't go out, because I'm going to take you to my dashboard on your YouTube studio, so that you will be able to see what I'm about to show you. Click-through rate, or CPR, is the percentage of people who see your video in their feed and actually click it. If your CTR, or click-through rate, is low, it means that people are not clicking on the thumbnail. That means they did not find the thumbnail attractive. They did not find the title also attractive to click. A good click-through rate is supposed to be from 4% to 10%, but this depends on your niche. And if your click-through rate is below 3, that means we need to fix that ASAP. Yes, we need to fix it, because it's damn low. We need to fix it because it's low. Follow me to the YouTube studio. Let me show you how you can increase, or how you can fix your low click-through rate that is below 3. Let's go. This is my YouTube studio. I'm going to go to my content. So I'm here in my YouTube studio, and these are my contents, and this is the video I want to use to on this tutorial today. I'm starting from here. As you can see, this video has gotten 364 views. When you check here, you will see that here is showing you the views, and this place is showing you the typical, that means the normal view, that if I get in the video, you will just say, okay, this is normal. And the performance, as you can see here, it shows green, and it say more than usual. That means this video on YouTube is doing very well as a whole. So the video is doing so well. It has gotten me 13 watch time, or watch hour. And when you check on this small one, you will see that here it says 12.0 more than usual. That means the watch time that this video has is normal and is doing very fine. Then it has gotten 6 subscribers, and when you check here, because most of the information I get is from this point, you will check it and read more for what this particular place is talking about. It says total change in subscriber count from people viewing this video since it was first published. That means this is the people that watch this video and find it so interesting and decide to subscribe, is this number of people. Now, what happened to this video? Look at this video now. When I posted this video, it has just 2 views. Okay, after the first 1 hour, and before it gets to 1 hour, a day and 6 hours, this video was still in that range, that is 12 views. But what happened that makes this video to within this is now within a day to run to this point, is because people that saw the thumbnail begin to click it, and from here to this place, YouTube have now check the thumbnail, check the title, and also check the tags I use for the video to know the proper people to post the video to know the proper people that will know that actually need this video. It's not like it's not just sending the videos to people to watch, but people that actually need the video. Now as this video grow up, as it goes here, it begins to get more views. Remember, a day sit here first day, first day 10 hours the video was still having, first day 6 hours the video was still having 12 views. But what happened here, that it begins to go up. As you can see the views, and it begins to go up, it begins to go up within one day, and this video got to this place, and as you can see is now in this place, but it's still, getting its small views. It's not like it's not getting any view at all, but it's still having views. But this is the peak day for this video, which is the first day, which is the first to third day of this video, was the day the video peaked well, really peaked and did very well. Now I don't want to emphasize too much on this, so that we will be able to go to the main thing that brought us here. So now we have already seen the watch time here. This is the watch time, the watch hour that this video have gathered, and the average view duration. View duration of 11 minutes 20 seconds video that people watch up to 2 minutes. Now let's see, is this 2 minutes a watch is okay for this 11-minute video. Now average view duration for this video is 2 minutes 8 seconds. That is what people that watch this video, that is what they try to watch. Now here the performance, as you can see, it's thick green. That is to show you that YouTube algorithm is okay and it finds this video doing well. And then we want to go to the audience of this video before we will come back to the reach of this video. Now how much advertisers pay for this video is $11.24. That is to show you that even the advertisers find this video interesting. They find the topic, the thumbnails, in fact especially the topic is so interesting for them. That is the reason why this video was able to, advertiser was able to place $11.24 in this video. Now the earning type of this video is skippable ad, display ad, bumper ad, and so on and so on. So that is what make this revenue of this video to go that high. Now let's go to the main thing that brought us here, which is the impression click-through rate. The impression of this video, as you can see here, they say the total number of time your video's thumbnail was shown to viewers since the video was published. The total time that in the YouTube feed, where when you just open your browse feature on YouTube, this is how many people that have seen this video. That is to show that before YouTube push this video to this a lot of people, the algorithm find this video interesting and find it one thing before they now push it to this particular people. So as when I post this video, it was, in fact, immediately I post it, in the first an hour this video have already got impression of 800 and something. You see in the first 1 hour, look at it, look at when I post the video, the first 1 hour of this video, the video have already gotten 893 impression click-through rate. That means even the algorithm know that this is what they want. Now if you come to the impression, you ask yourself, why did the impression has 7.7 thousand impression. So if your video is not getting the 7 points or anything around, or anything, in fact anything from 1,000 impression, I think you need to fix it. Now This is the impression click-through rate, which I told you if your video has anything impression like from 4 to 10, that it is okay. So as you can see, this video has 4 to 10 impression, which says views per impression shown. This measure how often viewers watch a video after seeing an impression, wondering whether your impression click-through rate is high or low. So if you're wondering if your impression click-through rate is high or low, that means you have to fix it. Now we have this view which I've already said, and we have this which I've already said. Now I want to tell you why this video was able to do very well like this. I want to tell you why that video was able to do very well. It was able to do very well because the title of that video is what is evergreen. That is why that video was able to do very well. So secondly, the video was able to do well because of the thumbnail I used in that video. If you check the video, you will see I did not cluster the whole place with stairs. It was just 3 wells that is very bold, that has attractive color with good background. Third thing you need is the type of picture that you will use on that your thumbnail. When they talk about thumbnails, it has to do with your facial expression, it has to do with the type of bold text that you use on that video. Please, if you know that your video is having a low click-through rate, I want you to follow this instruction that I gave you. Your low click-through rate is just from your title and your thumbnail. If you want your thumbnail to be perfect, make sure if you go to Canva, you will see a already made thumbnails that you can use to create your own. And if you also want something that will rate your thumbnail, you can also use thumbnail test to test your thumbnail before you will now put it up for upload on YouTube. So you see, this is how you can fix your low click-through rate and get more views, and also get more and also grow in your channel. If you get value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on your own opinion if you will try it out. And please subscribe to my channel, share and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.